Inside ESL Learning. Mastering Pronunciation, Postalveolars and Yod Sound. Welcome to another episode of our English Pronunciation Guide. Our goal is simple: to help you speak with ease and better understand natural, everyday English. Today, we are exploring a busy territory in the geography of your mouth, the postalveolar zone, often called the hushing zone. We will also learn how to cross the palatal bridge to master the Yod sound, that smooth glide at the start of the word U. These are key consonant sounds that learners frequently mix up. Refining them will make a huge difference in how clearly you express yourself. You'll get a breakdown of the pronunciation first, followed by 2 practical tests to train your listening and speaking. Aim for a flawless run in both challenges to grab all 100 points. Let's jump right in. Look at the map on the screen. The postalveolar sounds are produced just behind the alveolar ridge. To find this spot, start at your upper teeth, move your tongue back to the bump, the ridge, and then slide it just a bit further back, where the roof of the mouth begins to dome. This is the hushing territory. In this zone, we have 2 different manners of articulation. The fricatives. These are flow sounds. The air passes through a narrow channel continuously. Think of the sound in ship, or the soft, vibrating sound in vision or garage. The Affricates. These are release sounds. They begin with a total blockage of air, a complete lock, followed by a sharp release. Think of church and judge. Now, let's move slightly further back to the hard palate for the Yod Palatal Glide. Unlike the postalveolars, the middle of your tongue rises toward the roof of your mouth but never touches it. This creates a smooth, vocalic flow, as heard in yes, yellow, or uniform. Mastering these mouth shapes takes time, so keep practicing in the mirror. Watch your teeth and lips, and you'll get the hang of it. It's practice time. Before we begin, grab something to write with or open your notes. You're aiming for the Pronunciation Master badge today. You have 100 points to collect, 50 available in each section. Let's see what score you can reach. Ready to score your first 50 points? In Challenge 1, pay close attention to the word you hear and select the right option from the 4 on screen. Give yourself 5 points for each right answer. Let's get started. Round 1. The development team is currently working on a new session. Session. Answer. Session. Round 2. You really should judge carefully before making a final decision. Judge. Answer. Judge. Round 3. The bridge was much higher than the hikers had initially expected. Bridge. Answer. Bridge. Round 4. I hope you can enjoy this special experience with your friends. Enjoy. Answer. Enjoy. Round 5. The company is going to celebrate its 10th launch next month. Launch. Answer. Launch. Round 6. Working in this environment is a constant challenge. Challenge. Answer. Challenge. Round 7. We need to check the batch before we can proceed. Batch. Answer. Batch. Round 8. The designer suggested using a very rich shade for the background. Rich. Answer. Rich. Round 9. I usually wash all the equipment after every work session. Wash. Answer. Wash. Round 10. This local restaurant is famous for its chef. Chef. Answer. Chef. That wraps up Challenge 1. Add up your score. Did you hit the maximum 50 points? No problem if you made a couple of mistakes. You've got another chance to collect 50 points in the upcoming round. Time for Challenge 2, the shadowing technique. Aim to match my pace, rhythm, and mouth movements as I speak. Score up to 5 points per sentence based on your pronunciation accuracy. Watch out for these 4 common pronunciation traps. First, the hushing trap. Don't confuse the continuous flow of the sh sound with the sharp release of the ch sound. If you do, shoes might sound like choose. Second, the Jello versus yellow trap. This is a major one. For yellow, keep the air moving freely with the yod sound, without your tongue touching the roof of your mouth. For Jello or judge, you must lock the air completely before releasing it. Third, the rare sound challenge. Don't replace the soft, vibrating sound in measure or vision with the heavier sound in judge. Keep the air flowing smoothly. And fourth, the devoicing trap at the end of words. Pay close attention to the end of your words. If you switch off your vocal cords too early, a vibrating sound can turn into a silent one. For example, the word badge can easily end up sounding like batch. As you shadow, look at the map and guide on your screen, and pay attention to the colors. Blue circles mean the sound is silent, like the sound in ship or the sound in church. Your vocal cords stay still. Orange circles mean vibration, like the soft sound in vision, the sound in judge, or the yod sound in yes. You must turn on your voice. Remember, if you lose the vibration at the end of a word like badge can easily sound like batch. Pause right here and spend a few seconds loosening up your mouth with these simple warm-ups. Getting those muscles relaxed is key to getting the shapes right. Press play as soon as you're set to continue the challenge. Listen and repeat each sentence. Focus on the transition between the flow of fricatives and the explosion of affricates. Round 1. Step 1. Just listen. Don't speak yet. It was a real pleasure to share this journey with you. Step 2. Shadow me. This time, speak with me. It was a real pleasure to share this journey with you. Step 3. Shadow me again. Repeat after me one more time. It was a real pleasure to share this journey with you. Round 2. Step 1. Just listen. The manager checked the latest version of the project. Step 2. Shadow me. The manager checked the latest version of the project. Step 3. Shadow me again. The manager checked the latest version of the project. Round 3. Step 1. Just listen. She usually chooses a uniform for work. Step 2. Shadow me. She usually chooses a uniform for work. Step 3. Shadow me again. She usually chooses a uniform for work. Round 4. Step 1. Just listen. The judge watched the coach on the gym stage. Step 2. Shadow me. The judge watched the coach on the gym stage. Step 3. Shadow me again. The judge watched the coach on the gym stage. Round 5. Step 1. Just listen. Do you usually use cash or a card to pay? Step 2. Shadow me. Do you usually use cash or a card to pay? Step 3. Shadow me again. Do you usually use cash or a card to pay? Round 6. Step 1. Just listen. Jeff searched for his shoes in the garage. Step 2. Shadow me. Jeff searched for his shoes in the garage. Step 3. Shadow me again. Jeff searched for his shoes in the garage. Round 7. Step 1. Just listen. Each badge shows your position in the company. Step 2. Shadow me. Each badge shows your position in the company. Step 3. Shadow me again. Each badge shows your position in the company. Round 8. Step 1. Just listen. The ocean view from the bridge is amazing this year. Step 2. Shadow me. The ocean view from the bridge is amazing this year. Step 3. Shadow me again. The ocean view from the bridge is amazing this year. Round 9. Step 1. Just listen. We need to measure the huge yellow batch of files. Step 2. Shadow me. We need to measure the huge yellow batch of files. Step 3. Shadow me again. We need to measure the huge yellow batch of files. Round 10. Step 1. Just listen. Can you show me the changes in the new version? Step 2. Shadow me. Can you show me the changes in the new version? Step 3. Shadow me again. Can you show me the changes in the new version? Awesome work, everyone. You have finished challenge 2. Tally up your score. What is your total score? Look at the ranking chart on screen to see where you landed. Drop your score in the comments below and let me know your rank. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more English practice. In our next video, we will focus on dental sounds, like in thin and this, and compare them to alveolar sounds, like T and D. You can check the map on your screen right now to see how they fit into the system. Before you go, here is my golden rule: lose the fear. Remember, the goal is simply to be clear and understood, not to have a perfect accent. To really succeed, try to build a quick daily routine. Just 15 minutes of practice in the morning is enough. You can also read the news or a book out loud to get your mouth muscles moving. If you stick with it and practice the 44 sounds of English every day, you will massively boost your confidence and listening skills in just 3 months. Thanks for watching, keep practicing, and I will see you in the next video. Bye for now.